ROR Rule 1 Application. Rule 1 Application. A. These rules shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all waters connected therewith navigable by seagoing vessels. Explanation. Rules shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas, in all waters connected therewith, and navigable by seagoing vessels. B. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of special rules made by an appropriate authority for roadsteads, harbors, rivers, lakes, or inland waterways connected with the high seas and navigable by seagoing vessels. Such special rules shall conform as closely as possible to these rules. Explanation. Special rules are local rules that apply to roadsteads, harbors, rivers, lakes, or inland waterways. These special rules must conform as closely as possible with the 1972 regulations. Mariners can find local regulations in sailing directions, pilot books, guide to port entry. C. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of any special rules made by the government of any state with respect to additional station or signal lights, shapes, or whistle signals for ships of war and vessels proceeding under convoy, or with respect to additional station or signal lights or shapes for fishing vessels engaged in fishing as a fleet. These additional station or signal lights, shapes, or whistle signals shall, so far as possible, be such that they cannot be mistaken for any light, shape, or signal authorized elsewhere under these rules. Explanation. For what type of ships can a government issue special rules? Ships of war, vessels under convoy, fishing vessels fishing as a fleet, dracones, barges, submarines, aircraft carriers. D. Traffic separation schemes may be adopted by the organization for the purpose of these rules. Explanation. Traffic separation schemes, TSS, may be adopted by the organization. The IMO is authorized to adopt traffic separation schemes to control the traffic and keep vessels away from each other by establishing lanes. This will help to avoid collisions between vessels in high traffic density areas. E. Whenever the government concerned shall have determined that a vessel of any special construction or purpose cannot comply with the provisions of any of these rules with respect to the number, position, range, or arc of visibility of lights or shapes, as well as to the disposition and characteristics of sound signaling appliances. Such vessel shall comply with such other provisions in regard to the number, position, range, or arc of visibility of lights or shapes, as well as to the disposition and characteristics of sound signaling appliances, as her government shall have determined to be the closest possible compliance with these rules in respect of that vessel. Explanation. Exceptions in the rules may be made for vessels of special construction. Example: an aircraft carrier which has its accommodation on one side to allow for a clear runway for the aircraft to land and take off, the two mast headlights are not in line with the fore and aft line of the vessel, but are displaced from the fore and aft line to one side. This is permitted by the rules as long as they show mast headlights, side lights, and stern lights. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel NavFlow, and hit the bell icon for more updates.